How to find Instagram user location. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can find your Instagram user location. First of all, you have to fully make sure that your app was updated on your device, and after that you have to go and open up your app. Then on the bottom there is a source icon. Go for that, and you have to search for one of the celebrities or the user that you want to follow or find their location. So on the source bar, you have to source the user that you want to find their user location. And after that, you have to go for the top right three dot option and go for the about this account. So after clicking on the about this account, on the account based, so here you can see the about your user. So they have provided the date join, and the account is based on the United States. So here you can see the user location. So your user has been based on your so your user has been based on United States. So this is the process how to find your user location. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.